What is up, everyone? Welcome to another video. Today, we're going to be checking out this beautiful Ducati 748. Check it out. Now let's go over some quick specs. This bike weighs about 430 pounds wet. Super light bike, it's super nimble, and it makes right around 100 horsepower at 11,000 RPMs. Now this motorcycle was designed by none other than Massimo Tamburini, who's responsible for designing some of the most beautiful motorcycles on the planet. This 748 absolutely fits the bill. Shares the platform with the 916 and the 996. And they're gonna go down in history as one of the most beautiful motorcycles ever. And you already know how I feel about single-sided swing arms. It's beautiful. Now I'm gonna go ahead and gear up and we're gonna take this beautiful motorcycle on a ride.
Now, if you're looking for a bike that's the fastest bike in a straight line, this is not the bike for you. If you're looking for something that is beautiful, that'll tear up twisty roads and be lightweight and nimble and get attention wherever it goes, I'd highly recommend this. Now, that's it for this time, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, follow along for more, and we'll catch you at the next time. We have an insane bike coming next, part Honda, part Ninja, part Ducati. So make sure to follow along. It's gonna be crazy. We'll see you next time.